Maintaining data quality is a difficult but vital task. Working to make sure that your organization has the most accurate data can seem quite challenging. The right information enables you to prepare accurate management and financial reporting and encourages customer loyalty. Thankfully, templates provided by Simplified Loader make data management in Fusion ERP more effective, seamless and quick. Simply enter data into the spreadsheet, click on the Upload button, log in, and receive an immediate response right in the spreadsheet. Templates not only indicate the transactions that were successfully loaded, but also provides rejection reason for records with an error. In this instance, the issue is the value in service type field. To correct the data, simply rekey the right value or select value from the list of values. Once you are satisfied with the details, click on the Create button again to send the data to Fusion ERP Cloud. What more, using Simplified Loader templates, data from Fusion ERP is downloaded directly into the spreadsheet. The user can modify data in the spreadsheet and send updates to Fusion with the click of a button. By using Simplified Loader, users save time by effortlessly entering data into Fusion ERP, achieve greater confidence in financial and management reports, spend less time in reconciling data, and get increased customer satisfaction.